Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how to create a portfolio website using Lovable. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I'll describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks a little different. So before starting, you have to make sure that you're already logged into your lovable.dev. And yeah, this tutorial by the way, helps you build a personal portfolio to showcase your project, skills, and social links. So yeah, first you will have to click the create new project from your Lovable dashboard, and it should be visible right here, or you can just choose from all these options right here. So yeah, after you click your new project, you will just have to go to the AI prompt box, and then you will type something like, let's say, a clean and modern portfolio website for a designer. So let's say you want that, then you will just have to click generate with AI or just enter it, and then wait a few seconds because Lovable will automatically create a complete site layout for you. And then once Lovable generated a portfolio website for you, you will just have to click edit to customize your profile picture, your bio, your project gallery, to add and by the way, to add new sections, you will just have to click the plus section button. You will see it right away. And then once everything looks good, you will just click publish to make your portfolio live. And that's basically it. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if it was helpful for you, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.